What's happening, guys? We're here with Kevin from BioNO, and
I'm Dan, N1ZZ.
And we're going to be taking a look at, we've got this new mobile lithium charger for lithium iron phosphate. So why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Okay, great. Well, first of all, when you charge a lithium battery, it's a little bit higher voltage than charging at 12 or 13.8 volts. You've got to go higher. So the problem was when you try to charge in a car, you don't have high enough voltage for it to bring the battery up to a full charge, which you want to do. So this one we made, which plugs into your car's cigarette lighter. So here it is right here.
Yeah, that's great.
And it's not called a cigarette lighter. It's called an auxiliary port.
Yep.
Okay, so you plug this into your auxiliary port. Okay, and I'm going to do that right here. And by the way, let me see if I can get everything to turn on. Yeah. Oh yeah, it just turned on.
Yep.
But notice what it does. It's coming out at 14.2 volts.
Yep.
And what's going into this one from this battery is 13.1. Okay. So that's coming from this battery. So it's taking the voltage here that could be your car's, maybe at 12 volts or 11.5 volts.
Yeah.
Boosting it to 14.2.
Okay.
Okay. And now I'm going to plug that into a battery. I'm going to plug it into this battery. Oh, he's got it plugged in wrong here, but I'll plug it into this one. Okay. So look, it's taking
Look at that.
this and it's putting 13.6 volts, which is above the 13 volts coming in.
Yeah. But that's just the state of charge of the battery, right? The 13.6?
Right, and it's putting in 2.5 amperes.
Yeah.
Or 2.6 amperes almost.
That's great.
So this is all it does.
Yeah.
It boosts it and charges the battery, and there's a current limiter in here to limit it to 3 amps.
Okay.
Because this thing's going to get hot if it takes more current than that.
Yeah, I'll bet. But that's fantastic. I mean, that solves a problem for especially guys like me that are doing parks on the air a lot. If you're doing multiple parks and going from one place to the next, while in between for your drive time, you're recharging your battery. So
and
that's fantastic.
An awful lot for the parks and the air guys, and they buy the BioNO battery.
Of course.
And then they want to charge it, and they can go to their car and charge it.
Yeah.
And they turn their car on and run the alternator in the car. It comes up to about 13.8, and putting 14.2 into the battery.
That's great. What are those selling for?
We sell this for $100.
Okay.
And it's a great deal because there's a DC to DC converter in here.
Yeah.
Plus all this electronics to give you the LED lights and to give you the current limit.
Great. Fantastic. I love it.
Thank you.
I'm going to need to get one of those. Hey, thanks so much for your time. Appreciate it.
They're selling well.
Thanks, Kevin.
They're selling well because it's the only one out there that will charge from a car properly.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Sweet. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.